Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. Start living life on your terms. Earn $34 on free signups, okay? You get 100 free signups. Guess what? That's $3,400, okay? So start building generational income with Nexus Rewards. Something to truly think about and something to get started with today, okay? Stay with me for the next few moments. I have something else I want to share with you, okay? Okay, check this out.
Hello, my name is Art Phelps. My brother Rob and I are the co-creators of Nexus. In this short video, we'll show you how our state-of-the-art automated marketing system can help you generate passive, recurring income of hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month. We've been developing marketing funnels for decades. They've helped thousands of people enroll hundreds of thousands of members into dozens of opportunities. Our newest, one-of-a-kind marketing system allows anyone, regardless of their background, experience, or financial constraints, to start making money from day one. In fact, you can make $34 on everyone you enroll, even if they enroll for free. No other company enables you to make money on free signups. It's totally unique to Nexus. And our innovative compensation plan allows people to build a residual income of hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars a month and more, all for only $9.95. We start making money simply by using the products and services. Nexus has developed relationships with some of the largest and most exclusive savings and cashback companies in the world. These companies have already saved their members hundreds of millions of dollars and have paid tens of millions of dollars in cashback. This is allowing our members to dramatically reduce their existing bills and get huge savings, discounts, and cashback on everything they're already buying. 25 cents, 50 cents, $1 and more per gallon of gasoline, up to 25% on groceries, 90% on prescription medications, 40% on dining, 70% on shopping and travel, and with our bill reduction program, our members are slashing their monthly expenses on auto and home insurance, heating, electric, cell phones, TV, cable, internet, and more. Now, to become an affiliate, it's only $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee. The beautiful thing is that the Nexus platform is easily saving people 10 times that amount. $500, $1,000, sometimes even $2,000 to $3,000 a year and more. At under $10 a month, it not only pays for itself, but can make you a lot of money whether you ever refer people or not. But keep this in mind, the market potential for these services is incredible. Hundreds of millions of people are already looking for ways to pay less and keep more of their hard-earned money. So if you do share this with others, the potential earnings can be enormous. First, you will earn $25 on all of your personal referrals, whether it's 5, 10, 50, 100, or more. You get $25 on all of them. Next, you can earn up to 10 levels on everyone your people refer. So as your people refer others, that's your second level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people on your second level alone. And as they share it with others, that's your third level. This growth continues to multiply through an entire 10 levels of referrals. When you factor in some geometric growth, there is tremendous income potential here, especially when you have an automated system that from start to finish duplicates the process over and over and over again. Next, Nexus pays an additional 20% through a one-of-a-kind, copyrighted, coded infinity bonus. Everyone who gets coded to you will randomly code 2 of their first 5 members to you, who in turn will code 2 more. This process continues on and on and on. You could ultimately be earning $2 monthly payments on an ever-expanding group of members who are literally dozens, ultimately hundreds of levels deep into your network. Plus, we don't have to stop at 5. We can share this with as many people as we want. And you get 2 new infinity pay lines from every one of them. The income generated just through the coded bonus part of the plan can be mind-boggling. Next, the instant you become a paid affiliate, you are immediately placed into the highest position available in our lucrative 3x10 force matrix. A 3x matrix means that there's 3 positions under you, and once they're filled, either by you or the people above you, everyone else will go underneath them until the 9 positions on the second level are filled. Then everyone goes on the 3rd level until that's filled, then the 4th level, and on through 10 levels. Now, the most you can make in this matrix without referring anyone is $2,460 a month. But that number triples with just 1 referral, and it triples again with just 5 referrals. And the exciting thing about this matrix is that you can also receive a 100% check match on all of your referrals. Meaning, if one of your referrals makes $10 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $10 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $100 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $100 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $1,000, you'll make an extra $1,000 on top of your matrix earnings. Whatever your referrals earn in the matrix, you will earn as well. The timing could not be better. Think about it. Who doesn't want to pay less? Simply by sharing this website, you're helping others save money and get cash back, while generating a life-changing income that can pay you for years and years to come. Then think of this. The majority of the population is unaware that this program even exists. By joining us early, you will gain a crucial advantage. Hey, you could look for years and never find anything this good. Opportunities of this magnitude don't come along very often, and missing out on them is something you do not want to regret. Nexus is a unique program where literally everybody wins. People are making hundreds, even thousands, just by using the apps. They have an incredible lucrative compensation packet, a matrix that has the potential to pay over $2,000 per month without referring a single person, 100% check match, and a game-changing coded infinity bonus. Our simple-to-use, automated system is already helping people build their dream residual income and get more out of life. More savings, more cash back, more money, more fun, and more freedom. And this system can absolutely help you too.
Well, some things in this world were meant to be, like living life in peace and harmony. And there's hope, a better life for you and I. We'll take our dreams and fly. Together we can try. That's life.
Grab the link in the description area of this video and get signed up today. Have a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.